Now the perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at a point minus 2 comma 9. Find the equation of the line. Now I have drawn a figure here. Now let this point be O, this point be P, and coordinates of point P are minus 2 comma 9. Let this point be A and any point here it be B. Okay. Now perpendicular from origin meets line AB at point P minus 2 comma 9. Slope of OP is equal to M. Now here M is equal to, now we have to find slope. So O origin we are knowing it is 0 0, coordinates are 0 0. So we are having now 9 minus 0 upon minus 2 minus 0, that is minus 9 by 2. Now let slope of AB is equal to M2 and let slope of OP is equal to M1. Now slope of AB is equal to M2. Now OP is perpendicular on AB, therefore M1 into M2 is equal to negative of 1. Now M1 is negative of 9 by 2 into M2 is equal to negative of 1. So M2 will be 2 by 9. Is it clear? Now equation of line AB by point slope form y minus y1 is equal to M, that is 2 by 9 x minus minus 2. Is it clear? So the equation becomes now 9y minus 81 is equal to 2x plus 4. Required equation two x minus 9y plus 85 is equal to 0. This is the